Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review for Westkiss Hair. This is all of the goodies that they sent over in their packaging. They also sent over some lace tape. I didn't use it in this video, but they sent over a generous amount, and you just use that so that your lace in your wig can stay put the whole day, but I didn't need it because I had the elastic band. So this is what the wig looks like straight out the pack. They already curled it. This is a body wave 4x7 lace closure wig, and it's 24 inches. I got the medium cap size, which fits my hair perfectly, and then it has HD lace. It's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached. They did an amazing job at that. This is what the wig comes with. It comes with 2 clips on the side and a clip in the back, and then it has like a nice amount of lace space. I actually like wigs with less lace space, so I don't have to worry about the lace too much. And then it has an adjustable band that, as you can see, can come on and off, and you can adjust it to how tight you want your wig to be. These are more up close looks at what the lace looks like, and all I have to do is tint it. So I'm going to start by applying some of my lace tinting spray. I'm using an Eben Darkest brown lace tinting spray, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of that, and then I'm going to push it in using a little makeup brush. And I'm also going to use my Clinique foundation so that it can match my skin absolutely perfect. I'm focusing on the hairline part, and then I'm just going to put the wig on. I didn't put no cap on or anything like that. I just like to do it like this, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like straight out of the pack. Look at the hairline. Yes, perfection. This is so cute. So I'm just finger combing the curls out, and then of course I'm gonna do just a little bit of customization like I always do. I'm gonna cut some layers in it. As you can see, the hair is all the same length, so I want to add a little bit of dimension to it. So I'm just cutting some like long layers into the hair. This wig is very thick. It has a lot of hair, so I love the fact that even though I'm cutting layers, I didn't affect the thickness at all, and I just think the thickness of it just makes it look so much healthier and just, you know, really nice. Okay, now I'm going to get that middle part flat. As you can see, it kind of have like a bump in the middle, so I want to get rid of that, and then I just want my hairline to, you know, look natural. I mean, it already looks good, but I just want to lay down a little flatter. So I'm just going over that with my hot comb, and I'm just getting that area nice and flat. So the wig already came with curls, but I just want to kind of refresh them and make them my own. So I'm just using my curling iron, and then I'm curling my hair towards the back, and I'm doing that on both sides. So I just split my hair into half, and then I'm curling it towards the back on both sides. And I believe the curling iron was on 450, so this hair can take a lot of heat and it curls wonderfully. So this is what my hair looks like all curled up. As you can see, the curls are put. I didn't put any hairspray or anything like on it or anything like that on it. I don't like to add all those type of products because I feel like it weighs the hair down and it makes it so that it's not moving or anything. As you can see, this hair has natural shine. It has a lot of body, a lot of movement, and then I just love how I could just run my fingers through it and then the curls just separate and it just looks like really natural and very, very healthy. Like I said, this wig is very thick, so you get a lot of hair. All in all, I really like this wig. They constructed it really nicely. It is very long, so I'm just going to show you guys how long it is on me. I love how thick it was. I love how thick it is from the top to the bottom. It's a good quality wig and it's great to wear every day because you don't have to worry about customizing it or anything like that. Everything comes already done on it for you. And then of course I'm wearing it glueless. Of course you can add spray to it or you can add the lace tape to it. It depends on what you want. It's very versatile, so I love that about it. So if you guys like this wig or any other wig, I will definitely have the Westkiss website down below in the description. I'm just showing you guys like up close of the hairline and everything. It looks great. I didn't do baby hairs or anything because it just looks so natural and I love that natural look. And even though it's like a smaller amount of lace space, you can also still part it a little bit and you can even do like a little flip over like I showed you guys. So yeah, links down below. Thank you so much Westkiss for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.